warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Well, let me introduce our group. So we are from Group 4. Our members are Nadia Marlina, Nurlita, and Rahmi Sakina. Today, we are going to present our material about Chapter 7, Be a Professional Translator. And the first material will be presented by me. Next, Rahmi. Okay, how to be a professional translator. Professional translator is very complex and takes more than a person knowing how to speak the language. It takes years of practice and understanding of the language. A professional translator must be able to understand, assimilate, and reproduce the information and meaning of the translation and do it all naturally. And to become a translator, you have to at least know two languages. Most of your professional translator translate no more than 4 languages. Any more language than 4 and it will start to take time away from practicing and mastering the language. A college degree is essential but not necessary. A degree is a particular language is needed. And when choosing your language combination, think about also learning the culture and the costume of the countries as well. You can do this by traveling abroad and immersing yourself in the language and culture. Next, Rahmi. Besides classroom education, linguistic training, and studying abroad, you are going to need some tools and research for your language and document translation. First and foremost, you will need a computer with internet connection. And if you are traveling abroad, you might want to purchase an internet card so you always have the option of going online. You will also need to purchase word processing software, telephone answering machine, and fax machine. Other research include dictionaries, translation memory software, and CAT tools. CAT tool is a refer to computer ID translator tools. Next, Rami. Once you have completed your education and have revised your startup equipment, it's time to find that professional translation job. When creating your resume, remember to include a brief description of your education and any degrees you receive and the different spell of those degrees. Include your qualification and the language from which you. It's also important to include the equipment and software you use to produce your translation and how you communicate your daily work via email or fax. And to find a translation job, start hitting up your network of friends, college, career center, and search online. There are myriad of forum and groups online for translator. You can also research a localization company. A lot of localization companies here freelance translator to work all over the world. What you should never do. Accept a translation job that is beyond your abilities. Not only will it take you longer to carry out, but doing a so-so job instead of a great one will have an impact on your reputation and subsequent assignment. Not to mention potential damage you might be responsible for. Okay, I think that's all. The next material will be presented by Nurlita. For Nurlita, time is yours.
Thank you, Nadia. I will explain about a step to be a professional translator or interpreter. Here are some steps you can do to be a professional translator or interpreter. 1. Get the right education and qualification. Get a degree or a combination of degrees in translation or interpretation studies, foreign language, linguistic, comparative literature, or inner culture, communication, and all the qualification and training necessary. 2. Get certified. The first thing to know how to become a translator is to get some sort of accreditation or certification. Having credential provides documentation that you have the skill required to translate or interpret professionally. 3. Getcaster. Another reason builder is to take language proficiency tests such as the Defense Language Proficiency Test (DLVT) or other language proficiency tests to show potential clients that you are indeed fluent in your specific language. 4. Gain experience. This involves in-learning with an office or an organization or simply freelancing for tips. See how to succeed as a freelance translator. All of us have had to start out doing internship or working entry level jobs in order to climb the ladder, and the language industry is no exception. 5. Join a local or national professional translation or interpretation society. Such organizations exist all over the world and serve as a means of providing paper, certification, as well as professional development opportunities. 6. Choose an area of activity. Different careers require different things. If you do not want to freelance, you will need to get signed with an agency, a translation office, publishing house, and large business or an organization such as the UN or EU. Next, please. 7. Choose an area of specialization. Many translators only translate, and many interpreters only interpret. Each field, furthermore, has specialized subfields: technical translation, certified translation, film translation, literary translation, simultaneous interpreting, core interpreting, medical interpreting, etc. Go with what you are good at. If you have a degree in physics and German, for instance, you may want to specialize in translating German scientific texts, etc. 8. Get people to know you and get to know people. You need people to know your name in connection with the business you work in. Begin with your friends and family. Tell them you are in the business and have them recommend you to other people. 9. Be quick, effective, and efficient. To succeed, you need to work fast, yet provide high-quality services. To be able to convey a message correctly and efficiently, translators need to master the short and target language. 10. Be professional. Always be professional to your clients and coworkers. You do not want to gain a bad reputation. Never accept jobs you are not qualified for. Accept too many jobs at the same time and always keep your deadlines. 11. Work hard. Just like in any other business, you have to work really hard to succeed. To become really successful, you might and probably will have to work nights, weekends, and holidays. 12. Practice. When you are not working on a contract or at a conference, exercise your translation and or interpretation skill for fine by rendering things like news broadcasts, news article, short stories, etc. As you progress as a translator or interpreter, there are other areas to consider as well. 13. Mention your language. Human language is a very fluid and constantly evolving entity. Travel to the countries or regions where your language are spoken, watch film and soap operas, befriend native speaker, read comic strip, newspaper, and novel, etc. 14. Be ethical. This is the most important code of conduct that a translator must have. Translators often come across confidential information such as business plan, marketing strategy, or a new invention. They should never use this information to harm the client. Okay, I think enough. The next presentation, Rahmi Sakina.
Okay, thank you. The next material about translator network. There are some of National Translator and Interpreter Association. Indonesia Association in Indonesia is Himpunan Penerjemah Indonesia, and association in Australia, Australian Translator Association, and then United States of America Association is America Translator Association, or ATA, and then Canada, ATN, Council of Translator and Interpreter of Canada, and then China, the Translator Association of China. Japan is Japan Society of Translator, or National Translator Institute of Science and Technology. And then Korea is Korean Society of Translator. German is Vereinigung der Sprachmittler der DDR, VDJ, and then German Federal Republic, Bundesverband der Delmotor und Übersetzer, and then Hong Kong Translator Society, and then India, Indian Scientific Translator Association. Okay, I think that's all. Back to the moderator.
Okay, I think that's all about our explanation. Now we are in question and answer session. If you have any question, you can raise your hand and unmute your mic. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.